All right, everybody, welcome back. This is your host with the most KirPodcast. This video is going to be an unboxing of the Apple Watch Ultra titanium case, orange Alpine loop, 49mm with a medium band. All right, let's go ahead and unbox it. Let's see what we get. All right, here we go. All right, in here you get books. Let's see. I ain't had a book in the Apple Watch in so long. All right, you got the Alpine loop, the Ocean loop, the Trail loop. As you know, we got the Alpine orange. You know we had to get it. Again, this tells you how to work the watch. Okay, 49mm titanium ceramic case. I'm sorry, titanium and ceramic. Then it shows you the buttons, everything. That universal orange, international orange. I'm sorry. Got the Alpine configuration, night mode, waypoints, compass. You know, backtrack. All right, we'll put that to the side for now. All right, first thing let's look at this band, because I was curious about this band. When I first saw it, I saw that orange. I was like, oh yeah, got to go ahead and get my hands on that one. All right, get all that out of the way. I like the way this look. I'm liking this color. Make sure nothing else in there. Yeah, I like this. Now, I'm curious about how this is going to be when it get wet. So, we'll see. We'll definitely have more videos on this. All right, get that out of the way. So, to start the show. Bam. All right, what we got over here? Thing good. USB-C charger. Obviously, you get just the cord. It's a braided line, as everybody said, which is pretty hot. I'll slide that to the side, and then to start the show. Woo! Got a little size on it, a little beefy now. Oh yeah, this is definitely bigger. Look at that. Look at that side right there. Yeah. Raised top. Okay. That orange right down the side. Oh yeah. Let's go on and slide this on real quick. Let's see. All right. That right there. All right. Hold on. Working with a monster. There you go. It's a very light, thin band, I will say. I'm digging it. Hold on, let me grab the other watch. All right, when I'm comparing that to this Series 6 right here. The Nike band, which is my favorite band, which I'll probably end up going to right there. But yeah, this is significantly bigger. I don't know if you can tell. Significantly bigger watch, I mean. But definitely bigger, hands down. When you look at the big orange dial compared to the Series 6 Nike. Definitely you can tell the two speaker grills, so that's pretty hot. Okay, now I'm digging it. You better dig it for the money that you pay. So to me, we're gonna go ahead and put everything in, then we'll give it about a week. I get back with you and let you know how this watch is working. This is just an unboxing of the Apple Watch Ultra 49mm. Definitely a big watch. Appreciate y'all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, turn on notifications. Don't forget the bell. We'll drop a gaming video or a console video tomorrow. Peace.